In a world where bigger often seems better, the rise of tiny living has reshaped how people think about comfort, creativity, and sustainability. And at the heart of this revolution lies one simple, transformative material: salvaged wood. Tiny living hack: salvaged wood decor for small spaces is not just a design trend. It's a lifestyle philosophy that proves that eco-friendly design can be beautiful, practical, and affordable all at once. It celebrates a return to authenticity, to craftsmanship that values character over perfection, and to mindful living that leaves a lighter footprint on the planet. Salvaged wood decor brings a special kind of soul into compact homes, each piece telling a story of renewal, resilience, and human ingenuity. Welcome to Décor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today we will show you a collection of tiny living hacks by turning salvaged wood into stunning eco-decor, stylish, sustainable, and budget-friendly ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. When you step into a small home adorned with reclaimed wood, something instantly feels right. There's a sense of calm, a quiet rhythm that speaks of balance between nature and daily life. The imperfections in the wood, the knots, cracks, and grain patterns, become symbols of endurance and beauty through time. Instead of striving for sterile uniformity, tiny living spaces embrace the raw charm of reclaimed wood as a counterpoint to modern excess. Whether it's a small floating shelf made from an old barn plank, a compact coffee table fashioned from pallet boards, or a wall accent built from salvaged flooring, every piece serves a purpose beyond decoration. It brings warmth and texture, softens the geometry of small interiors, and creates visual interest without cluttering the space. One of the most powerful aspects of using salvaged wood in small space design is how function meets emotion. These pieces do more than organize and beautify. They remind us that sustainability isn't about sacrifice, it's about intention. When you build or buy something crafted from reclaimed wood, you're not only reducing waste, but also contributing to a cycle of renewal. Each creation becomes a story of transformation. What was once discarded becomes meaningful again. This ethos perfectly aligns with the spirit of tiny living, where every object must earn its place, not just by being useful, but by adding emotional and aesthetic value. Salvaged wood decor also nurtures a connection between the maker and the dweller. Many tiny home owners and enthusiasts craft their own furnishings, discovering joy and empowerment in shaping materials by hand. The process of sanding, staining, and assembling reclaimed wood pieces can be meditative, a moment to slow down, to engage with the material, to feel grounded. Even the smallest project, like creating a wall hook, plant holder, or countertop accent, becomes an act of creativity and mindfulness. These handmade elements radiate authenticity, contrasting beautifully with mass-produced, disposable furniture that dominates today's market. From an aesthetic point of view, salvaged wood has a unique versatility that makes it ideal for compact interiors. It complements minimalist spaces by adding organic texture, and it blends effortlessly with modern or rustic styles. Its warm hues and natural patterns can visually enlarge small rooms, making them feel inviting rather than confined. When paired with clean lines, natural fabrics, and soft lighting, salvaged wood decor transforms small spaces into sanctuaries of comfort and character. The tactile quality of wood also appeals to the senses in a way few other materials can. It's something you want to touch, to live with, to keep around. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. From a practical standpoint, using salvaged wood helps maximize small living areas by embracing multifunctionality. A reclaimed wood bench can double as storage, a wall shelf can act as decor and organization, and a compact table can fold or expand as needed. These designs encourage a smarter use of space, prioritizing versatility without losing charm. And because reclaimed wood often comes from older, denser timber, the resulting furniture is strong, durable, and built to last, a meaningful contrast to fast furniture that rarely survives more than a few years. In the tiny home philosophy, longevity is luxury. Economically, salvaged wood projects make sustainability accessible. Instead of investing in expensive materials, makers can source wood from old furniture, construction leftovers, or even discarded pallets. With a bit of sanding and creativity, what seems like scrap can become something extraordinary. This affordability makes eco-friendly design possible for everyone, regardless of skill level or budget. In fact, many crafters turn salvaged wood decor into profitable ventures, selling handmade pieces online or at local markets. Each creation carries a one-of-a-kind appeal that customers value, a blend of story, sustainability, and craftsmanship that mass-produced goods simply can't replicate. But perhaps the most profound impact of salvaged wood decor lies in its emotional resonance. There's something deeply fulfilling about surrounding yourself with materials that have lived before, about giving new life to what might have been waste. It's as if each item holds a quiet wisdom, reminding us that beauty doesn't come from perfection, but from patience and purpose. In a small home, where space is precious and every item matters, that sentiment becomes even more powerful. Living with reclaimed wood isn't just about owning something beautiful. It's about living with intention, about being part of a narrative larger than oneself. In many ways, tiny living and salvaged would share the same philosophy. Both celebrate simplicity, sustainability, and creativity. They challenge us to rethink value, not in terms of quantity but quality. They teach us that small can be significant, that humble materials can yield magnificent results, and that design rooted in respect for nature is always timeless. As cities grow denser and lifestyles evolve, this approach to living, compact, mindful, and eco-conscious, feels not just appealing but necessary. Imagine a small apartment transformed by salvaged wood decor, a reclaimed plank turned into a floating shelf holding succulents and books, an old crate reborn as a storage ottoman, a handmade lamp casting a warm glow through a wooden frame. These aren't just design elements, they're expressions of sustainability and self-reliance. Each project reduces waste, saves money, and creates beauty, all while preserving a connection to nature in urban settings. Ultimately, tiny living hack. Salvaged wood decor for small spaces is more than a design idea, it's a movement toward mindful living. It redefines luxury as something handmade, heartfelt, and human-scaled. It empowers individuals to take part in the sustainability conversation, not through grand gestures, but through everyday choices that matter. In every reclaimed plank, in every polished surface bearing the marks of time, there's a reminder that beauty and responsibility can coexist, that our homes can reflect both who we are and what we stand for. In embracing salvaged wood decor, we rediscover a truth as old as craft itself, that what we create with care, no matter how small, carries a piece of us within it. And when those creations fill our spaces, even the tiniest ones, they bring warmth, balance, and an unmistakable sense of belonging. Eco-friendly design, then, is not just about saving the planet. It's about creating homes and lives that feel whole. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked tiny living hack by turning salvaged wood into stunning eco-decor. Stylish, sustainable, and budget-friendly ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.